We got London on the track.
We smash on the city, yeah you know it. We gon' smash on these bitches, yeah you know it. Flex up on them pussy niggas, bad boy. Crispy hummus, take your time, count it slow. I'm doing the thing, I got it bad, I make it rain. The thunder bag, I change the weather, they forecast. I'm back to fact, no more that, no more fighting, no more stress.
Today's restore, we got these Air Jordan 5 Space Jams. These are just gonna be a very quick restore. All that needs to be done is to deep cleaning and touch-ups upon the white paint on the uppers, and of course decreasing of the toe cap. So without further ado, let's get started with this video.
I got a bank on her bag, she wanna fuck for a bag. I was in the trap for a class, I had an A in math. I let the birds take a bath, look at my finger, the glass. I bought the bitch a new ass, flexing around with the cash. Rolly watch, go yard, and loving the bitches a cold heart. I needed a foreign to push start. Rolly watch, go yard, and loving the bitches a cold heart. I needed a foreign to push start. I need a brand new foreign. Rich forever, get the money together. Bad bitch pulling up with my cheddar. Strap on me like I had the Beretta. Killing niggas like I put up the shovel. Got a pint, double cup is a trouble. In the kitchen with the...
Alright y'all, now that we done with this shoe, as you can see, I'm done cleaning the shoe, as I should say. Now it is time to move on to the crease removal process. As you can see, this is very terrible. What you want to do is stuff the shoes with plastic bags, get a wet t-shirt, old t-shirt, and apply it with heat. Make sure you don't put too much heat in one spot or else that can mess up the shoe. So let's get to it.
Medico, Perico, fill PJs up with kilo, then sell his sneako. Yeah, everybody he know coulda got hit with the Rico. Caught a couple of charges, they were weak though. Fed had to let them go in a week or so. Still you the key to blow. Whole heap of dough, ran the streets for so long. Man, the team was so on. Them seen it so long ago, we had them in Mexico. Each trying to make it back 3 bricks more. The people I would run up on us in Texas though. Only by the grace of God they ain't catch it though. Some little young nigga with some big dreams. Almost on the verge.
Now it is time to use acetone and take off the factory finish so I can touch up the white paint around the ankle area and this. So let's get to it.
Hey, I just wake up at it all. Just wake up at it all. Houston in my cup now. Hey, LA roll it up. Flexing it just us. Plug just said it touchdown. I just had it up. I just had it up. Just wake up at it all. Houston in my car, LA roll it up now. Plus it that it touch, flexing is just us now. It's just us now. It's us now. Flexing is just us now. I'm up, now just hit me when I touch down. Cause I gotta go and get the cake. On the road, don't break. Take it home, I'm in love with the face. When I owe by the eight. When I pull up in your turn, I had to drop the top. Drop it. Had to make these niggas mad, so flooded out my watch. Had that on me, cause all niggas do is plot. And I had to put down on it, she phoned me like, what you thought? Hello? Keep the spot, that's just how big dogs do. And I hit up, here, yeah, I come through. Pull up and move. Diamonds that wear like jacuzzi. Put the little bitch in the Gucci, yeah. All they do is I'm a bruiser, damn. Hey.
I might just pull a number.
Call Los up, tell that nigga get strapped and ready. We there got a green light on these niggas. High life, nigga. Keep it, yo.
Have all these niggas on me.